Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. There are several reasons why most companies stock check do not hit their KPI accuracy. I'm going to show you 5 points here. First, human error. Stock checks rely on manual counting, which is prone to human error. This can be due to misinterpreting labels, counting inaccurately, or simply forgetting to count certain items. Number 2, complex inventory systems. Many companies have complex inventory systems that are difficult to navigate and understand, which can lead to errors in stock checks. Number 3, inaccurate data. If the data used in the stock check is incorrect, it is unlikely that the KPI accuracy will be met. This can be due to outdated or incorrect data in the inventory system. Number 4, stock loss. Stock can be lost due to death, damage, or expirations, which can affect the accuracy of your stock check. And the final point is inefficiency processes. Poorly designed or inefficient processes can also lead to error in stock checks. For example, if there is lack of clear procedures, SOP, or training, it is more likely that mistake will be made. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I see you in my next video.